This video will show you how we utilize our Stratasys FDM machine in order to create a customized 2-in-1 business card iPod stand. First, our engineer and design team will create a render to show exactly how your idea will look when it is produced. Next, the object is put into an inside software that splits apart into layers and adds support material. Then, the software creates toolpaths. Finally, a build sheet is made in the software. In order to create our business card iPod stand, our FDM machine is using a process called additive manufacturing. This means it is building a three-dimensional object by adding layers upon layers of thermoplastic material. After the object is taken out of the machine, our engineer and design team remove the support material. This can be done by using either hand tools or an ultrasonic bath containing a solution that completely dissolves the support material.